I wish that I was a simple man. Wish that I was, but I never been. Scared of reality setting in. Wish I was better at giving in. I wish that I was a kid again. Back when I wish I was Eminem. Scared of reality setting in. Taking the time I won't get again. Wish I didn't need a wish. Too concerned with getting rich. Shoulders heavy from the chips. Can you blame me, Sean Flex? Need to make time for my mom. Be half of the man that my dad is. Learn to accept when I'm wrong. Some things in life that you can't make. I've been having some bad dreams. I've been having some bad dreams. Yeah, I got a lot on my plate. Ayy, I got a whip in the shape. Wait, don't cut the tape. Too much to say. I got a song. I make a living off righting my wrongs. Virginia to death, but my dream in the West. Got a puff on my chest, you can't make me a pawn. Just got a text that new shit is fresh, man. I wish you the best, you deserve to be on. Ain't gotta deal with Atlantic, but they going frantic about it, they're over the pond. I can't set limits inside of my mind. That shit will feel like I'm committing a crime. Baby, that apple pie keeping me calm. You fall asleep and you dream of the shine. I look for peace, but there's not much to find. Scared of the storm, but I'm stuck in the calm. I wish that I was a simple man. Wish that I was, but I never been. Scared of reality setting in. Wish I was better at giving in. I wish that I was a kid again. Back when I wish I was Eminem. Scared of reality setting in. Taking the time I won't get again. Wish I didn't need a wish. Too concerned with getting rich. Shoulders heavy from the chips. Can you blame me, Sean Flex? Need to make time for my mom. Be half of the man that my dad is. Learn to accept when I'm wrong. Some things in life that you can't miss. I've been having some bad dreams. I've been having some bad dreams. Yeah, I got too drunk on a Sunday. The hangover Monday, it kinda defeated the purpose. Boy, I'd rather talk about shit in the music than coffee and toffee with someone in person. I'm trying to give more to myself to the world. There's too many ways I could word it, cause they like the lyrics in lowercase letters and measures presented in beautiful cursive like geez. All that we knew was just smoking some weed. Pull up the truck in the bushes and leaves. D-Rock taught me how to roll up the trees. Back when the verse I was spitting for free. Just me and Nazi inside of the Jeep. Back when I knocked down a shorty a week. Break off a piece, caught me some sneeze. Lay down some heat, life on repeat. I wish that I was a simple man. Wish that I was, but I never been. Scared of reality setting in. Wish I was better at giving in. I wish that I was a kid again. Back when I wish I was Eminem. Scared of reality setting in. Taking the time I won't get again. Wish I didn't need a wish. Too concerned with getting rich. Shoulders heavy from the chips. Can you blame me, Sean Flex? Need to make time for my mom. Be half of the man that my dad is. Learn to accept when I'm wrong. There's some things in life that you can't miss. I've been having some bad dreams. I've been having some bad